Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or off keyboard mouse in FC26. Very first thing you need to do is to just open your Steam, then head over to library. You're gonna see your game FC26, so just hit right click on that, go to properties. Right here we're gonna go to the option controller, and here you're gonna see this option override for EA Sports FC26. So right now once you expand this drop down, you're gonna see three options. So if you only wanna use controller, then you should set this option on this one, disable Steam input. And if you wanna only use keyboard and mouse, then in that case you need to set this on enable Steam input. Once you do that, just close this. If you're using Xbox controller, then head over to the option Steam. Right here we need to click on settings, and just again we're gonna click on controller option. Here you're gonna see the option for enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. So you need to turn on these options only if you wanna use keyboard and mouse. If you wanna use controller only, then in that case you need to turn off this. Just close this option, close the Steam, and just restart your FC26, and your problem should fix now. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.